Good morning, my dear friends. I'm Dr. Neha Bhatia, and today I'm going to discuss the second technique on how to perform multiplication operation using the sutra Urdhva Tiryakbhyam. So, the sutra which I am going to use is Urdhva Tiryakbhyam, which means that vertically crosswise. Let us start the multiplication of two-digit numbers. Let's say we have 43 into 32. So, the technique that we are going to follow is first we are going to multiply the numbers at the unit place. This is step 1. Second step is we are going to multiply the numbers crosswise, and third step is we are going to multiply the numbers at tens place. In the second step, if we see, we are going to multiply the numbers crosswise and then we are going to add the numbers. Okay, let us see how 43, 3, 2. We have to multiply. Now, step 1, which is the right side, 2 into 3 is 6. For the middle part, we have to multiply the numbers crosswise and then we have to add. So, it will become 4 into 2, 8 plus 3 into 3, 9, which is 17. And for step 3, we are going to multiply the numbers at the tens place, and so this will become 4 plus 3, 12. So, now we can see the answer is divided into 3 parts, and for the final answer we are going to use the balancing rule. So, 6 will come here as it is, 7 will come here as it is, 1 will be carried forward and this will become 1 plus 2, which is 3, and 1 will be written as it is. So, the final answer is 1376. Let us take another example. Say 67 into 88. Okay. So, first we are going to write these numbers in row form and then we are going to follow all the 3 steps. Step 1, which is multiplication of the numbers at unit place, which is 7 into 8, which is 56. For step 2, we are going to multiply the numbers crosswise and we are going to add. So, here we can see that it is 6 into 8, 48, and 8 into 7 is 56, and so this will become 104. Okay. So, the middle part is 104, and for step 3 we are going to multiply the numbers at the tens place, which is 6 into 8, which is 48. 6 into 8, 48. Okay. Now comes the balancing rule. We are going to write 6 here as it is. 5 will be carried forward and will be added to 4 and it will become 9. 10 will be carried forward and this will become what? 48 plus 10? 58. So, the final answer is 5896. Let us take one more example. Say 91 into 36. My dear friends, you can observe that these numbers are not closer to any base. So, the method or the technique that we are using here is a general technique. So, here we can write these numbers in this form. Step 1, we are going to multiply the numbers at the unit place which are 1 and 6. So, 1 into 6 is 6. For step 2, we are going to multiply the numbers crosswise, that is 9 into 6 plus 1 into 3 which is 54 plus 3 57. So, right part is 6, middle part is 57 and for step 3 which is going to form the left part, it will be the multiplication of the numbers at the 10 place which are 9 and 3. So, 9 into 3 is 27, that is going to form the left part. Here the answer is still not complete. We have to further solve the answer using the balancing rule. So, 6 will come here as it is, 7 will come here as it is, 5 will be carried forward and so this will become 3276. Okay. Now, let us start the multiplication of 3-digit numbers. So, next is multiplication of 3-digit numbers. Okay. Let us say we have to multiply 123 into 543. So, 5 steps which we are going to follow are: see, this is step 1, this is step 2, this is step 3, this is step 4, this is step 5. Okay. So, in step 1, we are going to multiply the numbers at the unit place. In step 2, we are going to multiply crosswise and we are going to add. In step 3, we are going to multiply the 100 and the 100 with the unit place and we are going to add with the numbers which we are going to multiply at the 10 place. See, like this. And then we are going to add. Okay. Next is we are going to multiply the number at 100 with the number at 10 crosswise and then we are going to add. And in the last step, we are going to multiply the numbers at the 100 place. Let us see this with the help of an example. Step 1 is multiplication of the numbers at the unit place which is 3 into 3, 9. Step 2, we are going to multiply the number at the tens place with the number at the unit place and that too crosswise. So, that will be 2 into 3 plus 4 into 3 which is 6 plus 12, 18. Next step is we are going to multiply the number at 100 place with the number at the unit place crosswise, and we are going to add these numbers with the product of the number at tens place. That is, see, 1 into 3 plus 5 into 3 plus 2 into 4. So, that will be 3 plus 15 plus 8, which is 26. So, this will become 26. In step 4, we are going to multiply the number at the 100 place with the number at the tens place, and that too crosswise. So, this will become 1 into 4 plus 2 into 5, which is 4 plus 10, 14. And last step is we are going to multiply the numbers at the 100 place, which are 1 into 5, which is 5. So, this will become 5. Now, we are going to use the balancing rule, and we are going to get 9 as it is, 8 as it is, 1 will be carried forward, 1 plus 6 will become 7, 2 will be carried forward. So, 2 plus 4 will become 6, 1 will be carried forward. So, 5 plus 1 will become 6, and this is your final answer. Let us take one more example. Say 679 into 813. So, let me write this numbers in the row form. 679 into 813. Using the sutra Urdhva we are going to perform the multiplication over here, which means vertically and crosswise. So, the multiplication will be performed in 5 steps. First step being the product of the numbers at the unit place. So, this will be 3 into 9, which is 27. For step 2, we are going to multiply the numbers at the unit place with the number at the 10th place, basically crosswise multiplication, and then we are going to add them. So, it will be 3 into 7 plus 9 into 1, which is 21 plus 9, which is 30. For step 3, we are going to multiply the numbers at the unit place with the numbers at the 100 place. And we are going to add the result to the product of the numbers at the 10th place. So, this will become 3 into 6 plus 8 into 9 plus 1 into 7. This will become 18 plus 72 plus 7. Now, we know that 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. It will complete 10. So, adding them will give me the result faster. So, this will become 90 plus 7, which is 97. This is the technique which we use in addition as well. For step 4, we are going to multiply the numbers at the 10th place with the numbers at the 100 place, and we are going to add them. So, this will become 1 into 6 plus 7 into 8, which is 6 plus 56, which is 62. For the last step, we are going to multiply the numbers at the 100 place. So, this will become 6 into 8, which is 48. Now, let me write the result of the steps here. So, first step is 27 then 30, then 97, then comes 62 and last is 48. So, for final answer I have to follow the technique of balancing. So, this will become 7 as it is, 2 will be carried forward and added to 0. So, it will become 2, 3 will be carried forward and added to 7 and this will become 10. So, I am going to write here 0 and 1 I am going to add to 9. So, this will become 10. So, 10 will be carried forward and this will become 12. So, 2 I am going to write here and 1 will be again added to 6. This will become 7. 7 will be carried forward and will be added to 48 and will become 55. So, the final result is 679 into 813 is 552027. Okay, so in this manner we can perform the multiplication of 3-digit number using the Urdhva-Tiryak Bhyam Sutra. Now, let us discuss the multiplication of 4-digit numbers. The multiplication of 4-digit numbers will be carried out in 7 steps, again using the sutra Urdhva-Tiryak Bhyam, which means vertically and crosswise. So, step 1 is multiplication of the numbers at the unit place. Step 2 is multiplication of the numbers at the unit place with the numbers at the 10 place. For step 3, we have multiplication of the numbers at the unit place with the numbers at the 100 place, and the result will be added to the multiplication or the product of the numbers at the 10 place. Okay. In step 4, we have multiplication of the numbers at the unit place with the numbers at the 1000 place, and the result will be added to the numbers, basically the product of the numbers at the 10th place with the numbers at the 100 place, like this. In step 5, we have, see, we are shifting from right to left. So, in step 5, we will have multiplication of the numbers at the 10th place with the numbers at the 1000 place, and the result will be added to the product of the numbers at the 100 place. In step 6, we have multiplication of the numbers at the 100 place with the numbers at the 1000 place. And in the last step, which is the step 7, we have multiplication of the numbers at the 1000 place. So, let us take an example. Say we have 1234 into 4034. We want to find the product of 1234 into 4034. So, let me write this like this in the row form, and then we are going to perform the multiplication in 7 steps. For step 1, I know the answer is the product of the numbers at the unit place. So, this will become 4 into 4, which is 16. For step 2, multiply the numbers at the unit place with the numbers at the 10th place. So, this will be 4 into 3 plus 4 into 3, which is 12 plus 12, 24. For step 3, we have multiplication of the numbers at the unit place with the numbers at the 100 place, and the result will be added to the product of the numbers at the 10th place. So, this will be 4 into 2 plus 4 into 0 plus 3 into 3. So, this is 8 plus 0 plus 9, which is 17. In step 4, we have multiplication of the numbers at the unit place with the numbers at the 1000 place, and the result will be added to the product of the numbers at the 10th place with the numbers at the 100 place. So, this will become 4 into 1 plus 4 into 4 plus 3 into 2 plus 0 into 3. So, this will become 4 plus 16 plus 6 plus 0, which is 26. For step 5, we have product of the numbers at the 10 place with the numbers at the 1000 place, and the result will be added to the product of the numbers at the 100 place. So, this will be 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3 plus 0 into 2, which is 3 plus 12 plus 0, which is 15. Okay. For step 6, we have product of the numbers at the 100 place with the numbers at the 1000 place. So, this will be 0 into 1 plus 4 into 2, which is 0 into 1 is 0 plus 4 into 2 is 8. So, this is 0 plus 8, which is 8. Last step is product of the numbers at the 1000 place, which is 1 into 4, and answer is 4. So, let me write all these steps one by one. So, step 1 is 16, then 24, step 2 is 24, step 3 is 17, step 4 is 26, step 5 is 15, step 6 is 8, and last step is 4. Now, let me use the balancing rule for finding out the final answer. So, 6 will come as it is, 1 will be carried forward and added to 4, and this will become 5, 2 will be carried forward and will be added to 7, and this will become 9, 1 will be carried forward and added to 6, and this will become 7, 2 will be carried forward and added to 5, and this will become 7, 1 will be added to 8, it will be carried forward and this will become 9, and 4 I am going to write here as it is. So, the product of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 0, 3, 4 is 4, 9, 7, 7, 9, 5, 6. Okay. Now, let us take another example. Say 7803 into 3058. Okay. So, first of all, let us write these numbers in row form. and let us follow all the 7 steps to find out the answer of this numbers. So, step 1 is 3 into 8, which is 24. So, I am writing here. Step 2 is multiplication of the numbers at the 10th place with the numbers at the unit place. So, this will be 0 into 8 plus 3 into 5, which is 15. So, this is 15. Step 3 is multiplication of a number at 100 place with the number at the unit place, and the resultant will be added to the product of the number at the tens place. That is 8 into 8 plus 3 into 0 plus 5 into 0. So, this is coming out to be 64. This is like this. Step 4 is multiplication of a number at 1000 place with the number at the ones place, and we are adding this again with the product of the numbers at the 100 place with that at the 10th place. So, this will become 7 into 8 plus 3 into 3 plus 8 into 5 plus 0 into 0. So, this will become what? 56 plus 9 plus 40. Okay, and this will become what? This is 65, 40, which is 105. And so, I am writing here 105. In step 5, okay, now we are going to multiply the number at the 1000 place with the number at the tens place, and the resultant will be added to the number which will be the product of the numbers at the 100 place. So, this will become 7 into 5 plus 3 into 0 plus 8 into 0, which is 35. Step 6 is multiplication of the numbers at 1000 place with the number at the 100 place. So, this will be like this, and this is 7 into 0 plus 8 into 3, which is 24. Last step is the multiplication of the numbers at the 1000 place, which is 7 into 3, 24. Sorry, it's 21. 24 I have to write here. So, instead of saying 21, I said 24. So, this will be 21. Okay. Last is the final answer, and for that we have to apply the balancing rule. So, 4 will come here as it is, 2 will be carried forward and this will become 7, 1 will be carried forward and this will become 5, 6 will be carried forward and this will become 11. So, 1 will be carried forward over here and this will become 11, which will be carried forward and this will become 16. So, 1 will be carried forward and this will become 4, which will be carried further and this will become 8. 2 will be carried forward and this will become 23. So, this is your final answer. So, we can see that with the help of this technique, we can perform multiplication of any 4-digit number. Thank you.